For decades, one company ruled the skies. Its name was Boeing. By the 1960s, more than 80% of the world's commercial aircraft were built by American manufacturers, with Boeing leading the industry. Most experts believed no company could ever challenge its dominance. But then, a group of European nations joined forces to build something extraordinary. What started as an impossible dream eventually became Boeing's biggest rival. This is the incredible story of how Airbus changed the aviation industry forever. After World War II, the United States became the world's leader in aviation technology. Companies like Boeing, Douglas, and Lockheed dominated the commercial aircraft market. Airlines across the globe relied almost entirely on American-made airplanes. European aircraft manufacturers struggled to compete. They had excellent engineers, but lacked the financial strength, production capacity, and international influence to challenge Boeing. By the late 1960s, it looked like Boeing's position at the top would never be threatened. But Europe had a different plan. In 1967, France, West Germany, and the United Kingdom decided to work together on a bold new project. Instead of competing against each other, they combined their knowledge, technology, and resources. Later, Spain also joined the partnership. Each country specialized in building different sections of the aircraft. The wings were built in Britain. The fuselage was produced in Germany. France handled the cockpit design and final assembly in Toulouse. This unique manufacturing strategy reduced costs while allowing every country to contribute its expertise. The result was a completely new aircraft manufacturer, Airbus. In 1972, Airbus introduced its very first aircraft, the Airbus A300. It wasn't just another airplane, it was a technological breakthrough. At a time when large passenger aircraft usually required 3 or 4 engines, the A300 proved that only 2 powerful engines could do the same job more efficiently. The aircraft consumed less fuel, required lower maintenance, and significantly reduced operating costs for airlines. Its advanced wing design also improved aerodynamic efficiency, making it one of the most innovative aircraft of its generation. Technically, the A300 was years ahead of many competitors. However, having a great aircraft doesn't guarantee success. Airbus traveled across the United States, demonstrating the A300 to major airlines. The response was disappointing. Almost nobody wanted to buy it. Between late 1975 and mid-1977, Airbus failed to sell a single aircraft. The global oil crisis, economic recession, and the lack of trust in a brand new manufacturer pushed Airbus to the edge of collapse. Many industry experts predicted that Airbus would disappear within a few years. Just when everything seemed lost, Airbus made one of the boldest marketing decisions in aviation history. The company offered 4 Airbus A300 aircraft to Eastern Airlines in the United States, not for sale, but completely free to operate for 6 months. The message was simple: fly them, test them. If you like them, buy them. If not, return them. After months of operation, Eastern Airlines was amazed. The A300 proved to be highly reliable, more fuel efficient, and much cheaper to operate than many competing aircraft. Soon after, Eastern Airlines placed an order for 23 Airbus A300 aircraft. That single deal completely changed Airbus's future. Following the success of the A300, Airbus expanded rapidly. The company introduced the A310, the highly successful A320 family, the A330, the A340, the A350, and eventually the world's largest passenger aircraft, the Airbus A380. Today, Airbus aircraft fly for hundreds of airlines around the world. Even India's largest airline, Indigo, built much of its fleet around the Airbus A320 family. What began as a small European partnership had grown into one of the world's most powerful aerospace companies. The story of Airbus isn't just about building airplanes, it's about vision, innovation, teamwork, and the courage to challenge an industry giant. When the world believed Boeing was unbeatable, Airbus proved that determination and smart engineering could change history. Today, Boeing and Airbus stand as the 2 greatest competitors in commercial aviation, and their rivalry continues to shape the future of air travel. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.